I'm going to be showing you guys how I improved my video color gradients from this type of videos which I've been doing for the past 2 months to this new type of videos which I'm doing now, all thanks to CapCut color gradient. It's all free. I want to show you guys step by step way on in which I used to improve my picture quality, my video quality, which I believe will also help new creators like me and you. Well, dive in if you want to change your video color gradient from this to this, all for free in less than 3 minutes. Let me show you how I did it. Yeah guys, you go to your app store, you search CapCut. Once your CapCut open, you open it. Your app store, your Android, anyone, CapCut is there. Click on new project. Then inside the video you want to work on. Once it's open, you first remove the voice. The noise on the background. You see no reduce noise. It says off. Once you click it on now, the noise cancellation will just activate. I'm going to be showing you guys how I improved my video. Yeah, there is for the adjust the color grading. Click on that adjust. Click on saturation. Put it like 25, 22, 21. After that, click on brilliance. Put that around 15. Then click on the HCL. First click on the yellow, that's the second one. Click the hue to around 15, 16. The lightness too, the same thing. Click on HCL, that is the blue one. Click on saturation to 45. Yeah, we'll now click on graph. You know there is 1, 2, 3. The first one, bring it a bit down. Just slightly down. Yeah, the second one, you just do it, just do the same way I'm doing myself. See the same way I'm doing it. See this a bit up. The middle one, this one take a bit up. I'm going to be showing you guys how I improve. And click on that sign to bring it down. Yeah, as you can see, the video is really sharp. Now click on the last one, which is temp, ready to -8. Seems quite easy to do. Yeah, now we are done with our color gradients. Now come and click on face, click on smooth, around 30 to get a smooth face. Then now click on white teeth, make your teeth more bright, put it around 40, 44. And this is all about the editing. You have the perfect video you're looking for. I'm going to be sharing. I'm going to cut unnecessary part. Once you click on this split, you see split. Is that delete? Once you click delete, I'm going to be showing you guys how you cut and delete. Now it's save. You can see guys, very easy to do. Once you finish saving, it will be stored on your gallery. Easy to do guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe if it worked for you. Subscribe.